How to create game character using Leonardo AI. So hello guys, if you want to create game character using Leonardo AI, that's how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. First we will simply go to ChatGPT and we will tell ChatGPT that we want to generate game character. So please write a prompt for us. We will use Leonardo AI. Also you guys can tell the character name if you want to generate any specific game character, or if you guys have pick of that game character, simply give that pick to ChatGPT. Basically you will simply tell your idea to ChatGPT as a human, like you want to make the things and sharing something with someone. And after that, ChatGPT will write a best prompts for you. Simply copy one of that prompt and go to Leonardo AI. Once we open Leonardo AI, here you guys will see generate. So simply click on generate, and here you guys will simply paste your prompt. But you need to make sure that you selected graphic design, like I selected graphic design. If you don't know how to select, simply click on that. It will be anything, like in your phone it will listed origin. So simply scroll, you guys will see graphic design. So simply click on graphic design and select it, and after that pasting your prompt and click on generate, and your game character image will be start generating. Thanks for watching.